My name is Ranjit Karki and I'll be the instructor for this course. So I have made this course for two kind of developers. One who are completely beginner in PHP who do not have the basic knowledge of PHP, then this course is for you. And another kind of developers who just started learning PHP, who have the basic knowledge PHP and want to improve their PHP knowledge by developing a project. In other words, we are intermediate level developers. So what we going to learn in this project? Let's have a look. In the first part, we'll have be looking about the introduction, and in introduction section, we'll be learning about the basic PHP, which will be about how to installing the server and text editor, what are the variables, switch statements, else statement, data type, echo versus print. You'll be learning about the array, post method, get method. You'll learn how to validate the data, how to validate the form. You'll be learning about the PHP date and time function, which is very important and we'll be using our project also. And you'll be also learning about session. Currently there are only 18 videos at the time of recording, but there might be a bit more videos in this first part. And the second part is also targeted for the beginners developer, and this project will teach student how to use HTML with the PHP and how to validate the data as well. So this is the demo of the project. So if we do not give the some required field, it generates that this field should be compulsory, and if you fill every form, then it display the information that are filled in this form. So by this project one, you'll be have a better knowledge about using the PHP and HTML together and validating data and displaying them. So after that, we'll move to the SQL part and we'll practice this in our PHP my admin, and I'll teach you how to write a query for inserting data, reading data, updating and deleting data. And this is very important in order to get started with our major project 2. So I'll be teaching you this as well. And after this, we'll be learning about the bootstrap, and this is for those who do not have started learning the bootstrap. And here we'll be talking about how to get started with the bootstrap, how to use the CSS and jQuery file, how to make the navbar, card, container, and many more. The video will be around 14 minutes long. So this is also very useful for the beginners who do not have knowledge about the bootstrap. So I have made a video for that as well. And this is the project 2. It was the major project. Before showing you demo of this project, let me explain what you're going to learn in this project. Obviously you learn how to code in PHP, but beside that you'll be learning how to use the jQuery data table to format the data. Similarly, you will be learning how to use the PHP mailer library to send the mail to the client in our project. And we are also using the faker library, which is an awesome PHP library to generate a fake data. Here in the clients you can see a lot of data. These all data are not generated by me by submitting through the form. I have generated this all data by PHP faker, and in this course I'll show you how you can do that. And here is our final project, and here this is the admin login section. Here I have saved my username and password, and the admin will log in here. And I've already explained we use the jQuery data table, so we can source the lab data, we can paginate the data properly, we can paginate the data in live. So it's very useful to use the jQuery data table. We can sort the data, we can view the data per page, and when I log in, it displays my name and the login button, and here we display the total number of records in our database. Currently there are 96 data, and we use here all the bootstrap, and here you can edit the data. Suppose let's say here, and you can save it, and you'll get the updated data here, and you'll get the message also. The message here displayed is a flash message, and I'll show you how to make a flash message, how to give a flash message using session in this course. Here is the add client form where you can add the name, email, phone, address, and the description of the client so that they will be displayed here and they'll be inserted in our database. Here you can delete the client if you want, and here you can view the client. So if you view the client, you'll get the detailed information of the client on the right hand side of the page, and on the left hand side you can send email to that client. When you send the email will not only send to the client inbox but also they'll be saved to the database so that we can have a look, and there will be a track of the message when sent. Suppose this message are sent on this date, this message sent on this date. So when you compose a message, there's a hello, this is hello message, and I can either include the doc file, Excel file, or images here, and I can send to this client. This is loading, and when it's sent, it gives the message here that email is sent. You can see here message has been sent, and it is also saved in our database. Here you can see, and if you go to your inbox, here you can see you got one message, and if you click here, you can see this is the hello message, and you can see the image you have sent to that client. So by enrolling this course, you'll be learning the basic PHP, you'll be learning how to develop a project using the PHP, and you'll be learning about a lot of libraries and how to integrate that in your PHP project. So I hope you guys will really enjoy this course, and I hope to see you in this course.